Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you blind spot detection system installed on Ford F150 2016. So the blind spot system has two sensors, one from each side of the vehicle, one in here and one on the other side. The sensors can be painted to the vehicle matching color, but in this case, since the car has black and blue and all over, the customer preferred to have it living as black. Now we're going to show you how the system looks from inside. Show you how the system looks inside the car. So inside the vehicle we have one sensor from each side of the A-pillars and the second one on the other side. And we also added a screen that indicates the distance between you and the object. So when the car is set to on, the system turns on, and it will show us currently in this side. On the left side we have an interference, so we'll see also the left side here. And if you put a signal, we're gonna have the system giving us an indication there's something there, and the light will be flashing. Now on the right side there's no interference, so if you put a signal to the right, nothing will show up. The blind spot detection system for different cars and trucks can be installed at Car System Installation. Press on the left corner to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.